Hello, and welcome to our Minecraft video. Today, we will be going over our local server build.
Hi.
That is Cat Ninja 2000.
Woo!
And me, I am the mysterious Dark Lord.
You mean, Fluffy Bunny?
Yes, Fluffy Bunny. That is me.
Gosh, I can't believe we made those ranks. And
Right?
Little Kitten.
Oh, it's so dark in here. We need to... Oh, there's so many bats!
Here,
Oh, God!
here. I'll come help you get rid of the bats.
It's like, should I just use a wooden sword?
Why a wooden sword?
I got this. I got this.
I would use a sword like Cat Ninja's Sword of Epicness.
Oh, I know
like
what I
my
can get.
awesome sword.
I shall get to my Elvish Diamond. Wait, do we have a door yet? Or are we just using warps?
We're just using warps.
We should
'Cause, like,
definitely put a door at some point.
No, if we put a door, then people will get into my world. And, like, they can just, get all over the world.
No, like, we should put a construction door.
Hi. Oh, construction door. I see. Okay. Hi. What the?
Wait, oh, alright. It's the end of the world as we know.
Hold on. Come
It's
see me.
the
Come
end of
come
the
in
world.
front of me. I just want to test out something. Look at me.
Oh, you're such.
Oh, okay. I was just checking to see if you could see my skin. Cause I changed it for a server, and then cause I was doing a movie on the It's Jerry and Harry server.
Really?
Yeah, I made like a whole entire movie theater with some redstone and stuff, and the movie was Iron Man 3, so I got an Iron Man skin, and I was just
That's
doing the
pretty
movie.
casual.
I was just practicing for the movie.
Come here, come here,
Instead of me.
come here,
Here.
come here. Hey, come
I
here.
got him. I got him. Ugh. I just got one. Oh yeah, 'cause I'm awesome. Ooh, oh yeah, I'm owning them right now.
Oh, there's one
Oh.
sleeping.
I'm owning them. Owning them.
Ah!
Wow, so many bats.
Don't
What
come
is
up and steal my bats. Those are my bats.
Oh,
Are you sniping bats?
yeah.
God, there's so many. This is so annoying. Can we turn off bats? / kill bats. Oh, no, wait, no. This isn't a live
That'll
server
kill
yet.
us.
Yeah, that'll kill me. Ah!
We'll lose our swords, and I don't even know where the spawn point is. I think I did this a bit far away from the spawn points.
Why? It's super flat.
I know.
Why would you do that?
I'm kidding. I just randomly spawned, and then where I spawned, I put the server spawn that I was gonna make, but instead we're using your spawn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh!
Dude,
This
there's
should be
so
called the
many.
bat room, not the survival games room.
Oh, I'm so putting lights. Need to open it up.
Yeah, put lights while I kill all these bats. I'm just swinging my sword everywhere. I don't even care. Hey, that rhymes. Swinging my sword everywhere. Don't even care.
I'm singing my sword everywhere, and I just don't care. Alright, it's pretty bright in here now. That's
Yep.
decent enough. My pocket is vibrating. Why is my pocket vibrating?
Yo, phone.
Yeah, that's something. Ah! Ah!
Yeah!
Alright, what am I doing? Oh yeah, killing
Yeah,
bats.
that's
Ah!
what we're doing. Ooh, let's own them. Own bats. Oh, wow,
Mine.
nice one.
Ah!
You're the last one left. Okay, that's all.
Got
right?
him. Nope.
Nope.
Wait.
No,
Nope,
stay
there's
there.
one- there's
stay
two
there.
hanging.
Stay there. Dude, I was just about to snipe it.
I think we got them all. You shooting me?
I'm kidding.
You shooting me?
I
Alright.
didn't mean to. I was trying to shoot the bat, but then you were right in front of it, so I couldn't shoot the
Oh,
bat.
sure. The bat was dead and you kept
Oh, really?
firing.
Really? Because I didn't know he was dead.
Oh, yeah, the flaming bat falling to the ground doesn't,
Oh.
give you a
Whatever.
small clue.
Whatever.
Need to name my
I'm gonna
horse.
get on Bob, Summoner of Rain, because he's awesome.
I'm not sure what to name my horse.
You should name him Horsey 999.
That would be really casual.
Like how the first name I came up for my horse was Horse Ninja. Instead of Cat Ninja 2000, I just did Horse Ninja. Oh wow, my horse can jump pretty high.
Bringer of light.
Bringer of light. That's pretty sick. I'm on the camera. Oh dang! What the?
Yeah, bringer of light.
Bringer of light.
I shall ride the bringer of light.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm Bob, Summoner of Rain. Well, I'm not Bob, Summoner of Rain. Okay, let's work on the server instead of just ride ponies around all day. Or ride
Bringer of light. Telling you.
Oh, wow.
I just brought the light.
Well,
I love that it's a white stallion because that's awesome. Why? Why would you do that?
Yeah. Well, I can summon rain. I can summon rain. See, I can summon rain. Because I'm Bob, Summoner of Rain.
Oh, wait. And to conclude our video today, we will be turning on and off the rain and setting the time to night. Good night, everyone, and have a nice day.
Hello!
Don't say hello at the end.